Most people don't know this simple trick to control music on their Samsung Galaxy Buds. Here's how you can pause and skip songs the right way without even touching your phone. Once your buds are connected and you're playing music, you can control everything right from your ears. Just tap once on either earbud to pause your music. Tap once again, and it will start playing right away. Now, let's talk about skipping tracks. Double tap on the earbud to jump to the next song. And if you want to go back, just triple tap to play the previous track. It's quick, smooth, and you don't even need to touch your phone. Now, if these controls aren't working for you, here's the fix. Go to Settings, then open your Galaxy Buds Core settings. From there, go into Touch Controls. Make sure Play, Pause, Next Track, and Previous Track are all turned on. Once these are enabled, everything should work perfectly. And that's it. Quick, simple, and way more convenient.